how you guys can integrate and use webhooks in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can integrate and use webhooks in Shopify. So the process is very simple. Simply open up Shopify over here, and then after that on the left side click on Add Applications, and then scroll down, click on Shopify App Store. Now once you guys are over here on the Shopify App Store, that's gonna take you over here to this page. Click on Search Applications, and then after that type in over here webhooks. Now once you guys do that, that is going to give you the webhooks integration over here. So now from over here, simply click on email my webhooks, and then after that you will be able to get email notifications for important events in your Shopify store by your webhooks. So to start using it, simply click on Add Application, and then after that you will be able to use this particular integration, and over here you guys can see how you guys can use it, and it's all very easy. So guys, that is how you guys can use webhooks with Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and take care. Till next time, goodbye.